Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sourav Sir classes. This is Shin Thakur. So, in this class, we are going to learn about CAIA. What is that? This is Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst, and this is a great opportunity, guys, if you want to be a part of investment analyst. Okay, if you want to become an analyst on global basis. So, what is the new course launched by Sourav Sir classes and how it will be a great help to you, how you achieve a good score related to this kind of test on global basis. So let's start this class, and this class will be really informative for you guys if you want to become a very good candidate for this investment analyst job. Okay, so let's start. So guys, this course is really important. So as you know, the Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst is a CAIA. It's renowned important examinations, and this paper is important if you really want to be a analyst or a chartered analyst. So the chartered and alternative investment analyst designation is a global recognized. Okay, so this credentials for professionals managing or analyzing alternative investment such as hedge funds, private equity, real estate, and commodities. So this is really interesting. Okay, so if you want to be a part of this, then you have to be very patient. Okay, because patience is always helpful, right? So the CAIA program focus on alternative investment strategy, asset allocation, risk management, and portfolio management, helping individuals develop expertise in complex investment products. Okay, so overview of CAIA program. Let's see how Saurav's class make a program for you, how its strategies will help you. So this all information I'm going to give in this class. So this is first of all we have to know about the level of examinations. So on level 1, focus on the fundamentals of alternative investment market, type of alternative investment, risk and return characteristics, and the tool used to analyze these investments. Level 2 is covers advanced topic in alternative investment, including asset allocations, risk management, and manager selections. So level 1 and level 2 is connected with the theory. Okay, so they have to focus on all these strategies, the types of alternative investment, as well as the covered which advanced covers advanced in topic in alternative investment as well. So exam structure is important, guys, and be careful to listen this. Level 1 and level 2, there will be two levels for examination as well. Level 1, 200 multiple choice questions, which will be 4-hour examination. Then level 2 will be consist of 100 multiple choice, that is MCQ questions, and section of constructed response, that is essay questions, that also a 4-hour examination. So these are three different levels. Number 1, number 2 level, number 1 level MCQ, and number 2 as well, but it has essay also. The course plan by Saurabh sir classes for CAIA preparation and how you can make your career in this field. So foundation of alternative investment, hedge funds and managed futures, private equity and venture capital, structured products and credit derivatives, risk and portfolio management. So all these highlighted point, which is a important connecting point of sort of class course plan. Okay, so that will be doing by our responsible faculties, and they make you clear in all these points. Okay, because for test all these points should be clear. Okay, so foundations, hedge funds, private equity, structured products, risk and portfolio management, all these important criteria you have to be clear. Okay, so what is the strategy? So we are providing exam preparations, mock test, various kind of question papers, test taking strategies for CA examinations, time management during the exam, practice exams and review sessions. So all these are important point connected to this course strategies or course plan, you can say that. Okay, so additional resources also provided by Sourav Sir classes that supports in your one-on-one tutoring, access to study materials, weekly progress reports, and online support. So all these important criteria of your course plan is important. If you're preparing for this paper or if you want to be a part of this course, so you can comment on a comment section and our administrative team will help you to connect with the exact course, and the website is also there. So thank you so much. We'll meet soon in our next video.